Hello and welcome to Miller Motorcars. My name is James Puglisi and today I'll be taking you through our Ferrari Atelier and showing you how I would personally spec the all-new Ferrari Roma. So as we enter the Atelier here at Miller Motorcars, you'll first notice on the right wall we have our paint samples. On the back wall here we have leather and also Alcantara. The table will show you the stitching, seat belts, and other materials. And on the back wall, you'll notice our showcase of wheels, calipers, and the seats. So using the iPad, it'll allow me to choose my vehicle and go through thousands of different renderings of the vehicle. So starting with the exterior color, I'm going with the historical Verde British Racing Green. That is one of my favorite colors. And I'm going to put the shields on as well. So now you have a beautiful green with the yellow shield. With the wheels, we're going with the 20-inch forged diamond cut, yellow brake calipers, and to kind of break up a little bit, I'm going to do a carbon fiber center cap. That way there's not too much yellow going on. And for the tailpipes, I'm going to go with the black ceramic. That way it kind of blends in a little bit with the carbon fiber rear diffuser. And then moving around the exterior of the car, we're going to be outlining it all in carbon fiber as well. Moving along into the interior of the car, Beige Tradition is going to be the right color. I'll be going with the standard Nero carpets, and I'm going to be doing stitching in the Verde as well. And I'll be doing the filo, so it's a thicker stitch. And then of course, matching that stitch with the Cavallino on the headrest. So it gives it a really nice look. Otherwise it'd be an embossed logo. I think the stitching with the green gives it a really, really nice contrast. For my seats, I'm gonna stick with the seats they have on the car now. You could go with the Daytona, which is classic, but I really do like these seats here. I'm gonna do the matte with the logo. This gives it a really nice look. You have the Roma written out in the green stitch and beige and black carpeting. I'm going to add the aluminum driver and footrest there. And for carbon, I'm going to do the steering wheel with the LEDs there. I'm going to do the exterior sill kick and the upper tunnel. Gives it a nice sporty look. It's still a GT car, I don't want to take too much away, but it gives it a great look. And there you have it, your very own completed Ferrari Roma. So the beauty of ordering your own Ferrari is that Ferrari will pretty much build whatever you put together in reason. Sometimes we'll have clients come here with pretty outlandish specs, and it's until we get here and put those together that we find out that it won't work. So that's the beauty of this room, is that it lets us explore, get creative with our clients to put together the perfect spec for them. Thank you again so much for joining me today. For any information on spec in your own Roma, or just information in general, please feel free to reach me at jpuglisi@millermotorcars.com or give us a call at the store, 203-629-3890. See you soon.